Namaste everyone, welcome back to Amrit Entertainments and hope you guys are doing well and fantastic. So without any delay, let's go to today's topics. Today video is all about Miss World 2021 which is going right now on San Juan, Puerto Rico, and the final will be held in 16th December of 2021. And among all the topics in competitions, beauty with a purpose are considered as the strongest topic, and it means it is an award given to the contestants who had done a hard work or social work to uplift or betterment of the society. Among 97 contestants participate in competitions, the top 10 Beauty the Purpose Award name has already been announced, and they are Nepal, USA, Sri Lanka, South Africa, Philippines, Madagascar, Kenya, India, Czech Republic, and England. So the first contestant on Beauty the Purpose Award is Miss Nepal Namrata Sestra. She has made an 75 long bridge in Dading district which connected three villages and which helps to uplift the life of all the villages in the districts. And the second contestant is Miss USA, and her beauty with the purpose is awareness and support and preventive measures on heart block diseases. Third contestant is Madagascar, and her beauty with a purpose is awareness people and society regarding having twins baby is not a bad luck in society. The fourth contestant is Miss South Africa, and her beauty with the purpose is awareness people regarding depressions and mental health and educate them how to uplift themselves through all these conditions and educate themselves. The fifth contestant is Miss Sri Lanka, and her hard beauty the purpose is awareness people and society on environmental pollutions and the bad impact of pollution on the society and educate people how to come off with all those pollutions. Our sixth contestant is Miss Philippines, and her beauty with the purpose is right and support to single parents as she was grown by a single mother. She is providing techniques and skills to a single parents through which they can earn money and support their family. Seven contestants is Miss India, and her beauty with the purpose is awareness regarding the child marriage in a society where she is connecting with the organizations who deals with the child marriage and protect the children from getting early marriage in a society. And eight contestants is Miss Kenya, and her beauty with the purpose is awareness regarding mental health crisis in the community. As a psychological graduate student, she want to help all those needy and people who are having such problem in the community. The ninth contestant is Miss England, and her beauty with the purpose is awareness people and the community regarding the human rights and children rights. And the 10th contestant is Miss Czech Republic, and her beauty with the purpose is importance of family or parents in the society as she is helping so many orphans children to getting their educations and health service so they will be good in the future. As all contestants have the strongest projects in their own way, please comment below which one you should think win the beauty with the purpose title and why. And those who are watching me for the first time, please consider the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you guys will get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you so much, love you all.